Good day everyone. Good day sir. I am Michael Apari. Our topic for today is ceiling direction. Akong i-discuss karon ang ceiling direction. Ang ceiling direction are essential nautical publication that provide comprehensive information to aid mariners in safety navigation. They offer detailed description of coastline, harbor approaches, navigation hazards, buoyancy system, pilotage, port facilities, and prevailing environmental conditions such as current, tide, and weather patterns. These guides are designed to supplement nautical charts by providing contextual and regulatory information that charts alone may not convey. Ganang bisa ako nasabtan ang sailing direction kay importante kayo ni sa mga mariners, labi na kay mo ni gamiton niya o mo ni gamiton kung duol na mo port ang isa ka barko or ship kanang arong mo port sila nga safety kay like gikan sa Tagbilaran to Manila mo biyahe ang ship padong sa Manila ni abot sa duol na sa siya sa pantalan sa Manila mo nang mogamit sila og sailing direction arong safety ang ilahang paglayag didto. That's all sir. Thank you.